Okay, Riley, I've read your email. I think I understand what you're asking, but let me look and see if this is the problem you're looking at. Because the examples you gave in your email talk about like x minus 11 and these factors right here. The question is asking which of the following is a factor of. So this is what you're factoring: x to the third minus 1331. And so, which of these are factors of that equation? Well, if you remember from our notes that we looked at, we had this kind of a cheat on factoring third degree. If it's a sum of third degrees, sum of cubes, or if it's a difference of cubes, these are both third degree items. So looking at this one, x to the third minus 1331, are both of these to the third power. If we rewrite it, this actually 1331 is 11 cubed. 11 times 11 times 11. Check that on the calculator, but 11 times 11 times 11 equals 1331. They gave us a chart in our lesson that listed the first 12. So you can look on the chart and see 1331 is 11 cubed. So this fits the pattern for this one. So we can use this where A would be X and B would be 11 using their pattern. So the factors of this are A minus B, X minus 11, and A squared, which would be X squared, plus A times B, plus 11X, plus B squared, plus 11 squared, which is 121. Like the size of the box. So you're not factoring either one of these because these are factors of this. If you multiply these two factors back together, this will be your answer. So it's asking you to factor this one, and it wants to know what the factors are. Now it gave you choices. It gave you a choice of X minus 11, and that was one of the choices. The other choice it gave you was X squared minus 11X plus 121. Trying to fool you because that's not a factor, because that's supposed to be a plus.
Oh, really?
See, so that would not be a factor. Trying to fool you. And then the other one they gave you, they gave it, and we'll write the box, X squared. They did plus. They did plus, so that looks right, but they doubled the middle number. So that one's not right here. And then the other was none of the above. That was your fourth choice. So it's one, you have to figure out what the factors are to figure out which one of these is really a factor. These other ones they put just to throw you off, to say if you don't know what you're doing, then you'll say, oh yeah, this one's a factor. Or this one's, X minus 11. We'll look at that real quick. See, X minus 11. That one's the factor. This should be a positive, and that should be an 11. So these are ruled out. So they did give you one. It's not none of the above. They did give you one of the factors. So all you have to do is recognize from that what are the factors. And again, you can use this little cheat sheet. If that's a plus, you break the factors up like this. If that's a minus, you break the factors up like this. And then see this is t thirds plus 27, which is 3 cubed. So you can use that to write any equation. And then check the choices they give you to see. So hopefully that answers your question. I think I understood your question. If that's not it, get back with me, but I think that answers your question. So have a great day.